What's going on, guys? Welcome to another vlog. Tonight, just got back from the gym. Gonna just make up whatever I have in the fridge. Let's see what we can do. Potato bag. In that goes. Come on. It's your new home. It's your new home. Shh. To guess, I'm gonna make a bone-in. Oh wow. Okay. Bone-in beer can jerk pork chop with a fully loaded baked potato, and well, whatever else comes on top. And that is what I'm eating for dinner tonight. It's time to eat. Till next time, live good, feel good, be good.